Hello YouTube, this is going to be somewhat of a quick video, well not really, showing you how to get Fallout 3 mods to work with Fallout New Vegas. As you see here, I have this Me 2v1 ESP or mod for Fallout 3. Basically this adds Miranda and Tali outfits from Mass Effect into the game. But as you see here for the master, it only allows Fallout 3.esm. So yeah, this only works with Fallout 3. It doesn't work with New Vegas. I think if I try to launch it with this mod check, it'll probably just crash the game before it even starts or anything like that, or just not load at all. So I'm just going to show you how to make it work with it, but it does require you using the console to get a hold of this mod. Um, um, but yeah, it won't work with quests and more in-depth things like that. But for like armors, clothing, or weapons, it should work fine. But if you try to port a weapon across, the alignment for the aiming would be a little off. At least it is for me. So I don't know. So first thing to do is you want to go to that plugin that you want to port over after you copied everything across to your data folder, of course. So you're going to want to go to that plugin. For example, this one is it. So I'm going to right click it, go to open in testnet, then you're going to expand it, click on TES4, and here is where you're going to see the changes and make the changes. So as you see here, you have a masked thing. You're going to need to make sure when you add the new master, it needs to have a star next to it or the game will crash. So yeah, at least it did for me. I'm not sure how other people will be affected, but yeah, you need to make sure it has a star by it just for safe measures. So what you're going to do is first you're going to delete this one. So go ahead and press the delete key on your keyboard. So delete, and I'm going to delete this one just for the heck of it. Go to data, add master, and click the dot dot dot. This will allow you to browse within the data folder. You're going to click on this drop down box, click on master files, scroll down to Fallout NV, double click that, click OK, and it adds a new master, which is great, and it adds another data entry as well. So what you're going to need to do is click save, and you're going to want to, you can save it as a new plugin, or you could just save it, I believe it saves that as a new plugin, but whatever. But I just save it as, I can't remember what it was called. There it is, right there. I'm just going to overwrite it, yes, and exit out this. And I'm going, as you see here, the new master, Fallout nv.esm, click this, and I'm going to launch the game. I need to make sure what the mod index is, because you are going to need the console to get the stuff. So 4F, so I guess I can remember that, 4F, can't be too hard. Stupid rocket dock does not need to be there right now. Doesn't want to go away. Okay, go away. Make sure. I'll wait till it's actually clickable so I can move it more to the middle. Come on. Alright, there we go. Move. Okay, what happened? Whatever, I'll just keep it right here. Continue. Get this video over with. But from here, I need to actually go to... Jesus Christ. Screw it. Go away. Need to go back here. Go into testnet. View the armor. I want the Miranda one for now. So EA6. So what was it? 4F EA6. So I need to remember that code. Fine, whatever. Go back into first person. And I'm going to go into my console by pressing the key next to the 1 key, which brings this up. I'll show you a little bit better. Brings up that little thing. So I'm going to type in player.add-item. What was it? 4C, I believe it was. 000 EA61. That was not it. What was it? 4F. Okay. So it's 4F. So all I need to do is just change the C to an F. And there we go. You can't see it because I have the hood turned off, but Miranda outfit should be in here. And here we go, Miranda. Click this, and there we go. We got Miranda's outfit in the game. So that's just a quick way to add mods from Fallout 3 into Fallout New Vegas. Very, very quick, simple way. All you need to do is just delete the old master in TestNip and add the new one. I'll show you the other outfits. The other one is Tali and Samara, EA7 and EA8. All right, that's not too hard to remember. Add that. All right, what was it? Tali, right? There we go. Obviously, this one changes your feet as well, which looks kind of creepy. Um, I guess it adds coolness to it. Yeah, it looks cool. Alright, now we're going to add the Samara one, which was E88. There we go. Scroll down, oops, scroll up. And there you go. Yeah, so they pretty much work just with that little change. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped people who wanted to port mods over really simply. Like I said before, this will not work with like more in-depth mods like quests and things like that for Fallout 3. Those will really need to be ported over by the creators and stuff like that. But for stuff like guns, weapons, clothing and armors, stuff like that, they should just work with no problem at all. But remember, you need to make sure that the new entry for the new master needs to have a star next to it, and you need to delete the old one as well. I don't believe that data entry matters, but I just deleted it anyways, just for the heck of it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped anyone, and thanks again.